there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our graduating batch taking a Bachelor of Science in Information System. Thank you so much to our program head, Mr. Dante Ciador, and the Dean of the College of Accountancy, Mr. Jesus V. Abaloyan. Thank you so much. At this point, we shall now have the graduating batch taking up Bachelor in Technical Vocational Teacher Education, major in Food and Service Management, to be assisted by the officer in charge of Novaliches Campus, Ms. Mary Rachel L. Villarama, together with the College Dean of the College of Tourism Management, Mr. Mark O. Lim.
Albano Jubilin, cum laude, Loyalty Award. Malatong Danica A. Marios Christine May C.